Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to access an app called Voice Memos. It should be in Utilities folder. Then click on it and click on Continue. Now select Allow once or Allow while using the app. Then click on this red button and swipe up. You can click on this button over here to pause or unpause your recording. If you wish to end it, you need to pause it and click on Done at the bottom right corner. Now click on the name of it and type wherever you want to. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always delete it though by tapping on this bin icon over here and selecting OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!